Alright, I thought I'd do a quick video on this latch because it broke, and my little knobs for my AC and heater, one of those broke as well. So basically what happens is there's little tabs right here and right here on the original, and they ride up in these channels right there. They ride up in here, and there's some YouTube videos of people drilling them out and putting coat hangers in there. I'm sure some little machine screws at work and probably some other things, but you can buy a replacement, which I will link down below. It was under 10 bucks, and the color is a touch off. If you can, let's see. There you go. The color's a touch off, so if that bugs you, if you're super anal about it, that's probably an issue. But my thinking was, for $10, I really didn't want to go fucking around with I lost the spring, and I have springs everywhere. I could have just reused the spring, but I figure it's probably brittle, wearing out plenty. I may keep that around as a spare in case this one is some cheap Chinese shit that fails. But basically it is 5 little screws to take the cover off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 2 screws up in there, which I have not put in yet. And this just slides in and out of there. Super easy. Screw it in place, and you're all set and ready to go. So I thought about it, figured by the time I got done with tools and everything, it was going to take me like an hour to fuck with that, and I would just rather spend the 10 bucks. As for the knobs, which I will also link, and I keep my truck relatively dirty. I live rural, dirt roads and so on, so it's a pain in the ass to clean. But anyway, so my original knob, one of them just busted. So I found these, and they're not for Tacoma, but they're marketed as Tacoma replacements. So I went ahead and bought them. I'm sort of okay with them. They do have a little bit of light bleed around here. Maybe they're just a touch undersized or something like that, which kind of annoys me. But they are definitely updated look from the originals. So I think they're well worth the 10 or so bucks that they cost. I'll link both of them. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. But obviously this just takes a second. You pop them on and off, done. This I would call a 5-minute project at most. It's very, very, very simple with just a screwdriver. So I mean, anybody could do this, and it's quick and easy. All right, that's it.